Hi, Elijah. Elijah's learning how to walk. Come here. Come see Daddy. Come here. Come here. Elijah, come here.
Eric said that?
You little turd. Oh, now you're going to do it? Come here. Oh, that's a big boy. Yeah. That's a big boy. Go get mommy. Go get mommy. Go get mommy. Ah. Get mommy. That's a big boy. You think you can walk all over now? Come here. Come see me. Oh my. Big boy. Hi.
Yeah, he's walking all over like he's big.
What are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Go get mommy.
I guess.
Go get mommy.
No, he just won't like, he'll walk between us, but he won't like take off. Well, he is, he's walking all over.
Come here. Come get me.
He stands up in the middle of the room and gets up and takes off.
Come here. Come get me.
So they're having a conference, sorry, that's in the room.
Oh.
Having a,
You're going crazy, boy. Oh. You better not break mommy's glass. Hey, come see me. Come see me. Come see me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come here. Come here. Come see Daddy. Come here. Come here. Oh, big boy. That's a big boy, Elijah. That's a big boy, Elijah. Elijah's first steps. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's a big boy. Oh. Uh-oh.